Alright, Zaster here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing 5 Mugen train raids. We'll be seeing what we get from them. This is the first one, by the way. Let's see what we get. And it is Skull Scythe. We do have 2x drop rates on, by the way. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, the second one. Let's see what we get. I ain't gonna lie to you, I really like this guy. It's kinda smooth. Alright. And just the lantern and a katana. Okay. Another one. Ooh, bop. And katanas on that one. There's the fourth one. Or not katanas. I mean claws, my bad. There's the fourth one. What did we get? A ticket, a glacial orb, not bad, and a little Haori. Alright, last one, I believe. Yep. I am going to be doing more of these if y'all want. Just drop 5 likes down below. I'll do 10 of them. Oh, just a Haori. That's kind of bad. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Enjoy my Discord down below. I'll probably be doing a giveaway here soon. Peace out. Love y'all.